Do you mind? Let's go. And this is like paper 2, 2015, October, grade 6, checkpoint. Question number 1. They say here's a list of numbers. Draw a ring around two numbers with total of 74. Or what you need to do is what? Like you take the first number. The best way to solve this question is like to get the 74 because you need two numbers, their total is 74. And then you start, subtract from 23. 74 minus 23 is equals to what?
51.
Is equals to 51. Then look in the answer here. Do you have 51?
No.
No, so you're gonna ignore the 23. Then you go to the number after.
Dead.
74 minus 28. And subtract.
Okay.
Then,
40 minus 8, 6.
yes,
And then 6 minus 2, 4.
4. Do you have
46.
46?
Yes.
Yes, because you have 46, you're going to go and round the 28 because they ask you to draw a ring around it and the 46.
Yes.
Then you will continue on because it's a list of numbers. So now you go after that to the 33.
Actually, they said two numbers.
And now 47 minus 33 is equals to what?
41.
Is equals to 41. Do you have 41?
No.
No. Then minus 43. That will give you what?
31.
31. Do you have 31?
No.
No. Then with the 46, we already did it. With the 52,
24.
it's going to be 22.
2.
And there's no 22. With the 59,
15.
it's going to be 15 and no 15. So your numbers already, you find them, which is what? 28 and 46. That's done.
Yes.
Let's go to number B. They say here's a list of the same numbers. Draw a ring around two numbers with a difference of 9. We need two numbers, the difference between them is 9. Now 23 and 28, the difference between them is what?
5.
5. And 23 and 33?
10.
And 23 and 43?
20.
20, right?
Yeah.
And before even like, I don't need to go to check the 23 with each one of them because 23, like here, the tens are 2 and here the tens are 4. So will be for sure more than 9. Okay?
It is 43 and 52.
Yes, it is 43 and 52. Okay? So we need to look because the difference is just one digit. So then difference between the numbers could be only 1/10 or they are in the same tens. So we just check what, like the 23, we can check it with the 28, no. Then the 28, we can check it with the 33, no. The 33 with the 43, no. The 43 with the 46, no. The 46 with the 52, no. And the 46 with the 59 is going to be what?
No.
It's a no, because the difference between them is 13,
13.
right?
Yes.
No, the difference between them is only what? Yes, here we've got 4. Now, what's the difference between 46, 52, and 59?
59, 7.
7. Yes. And the 43 and 52?
9.
9. So the two numbers are 52 and 43.
40.
Okay.
Yes.
They say write the missing numbers in each box to complete each sequence. You've got sequence here and you have got missing numbers. Here 13, then missing number 19, then missing number, then 25, then 28. If you look at 25 and 28, the difference between them is what?
The difference 3.
Is plus 3. Then if you to know if you find the difference here is 6, that is mean you're right. The difference between 25 and 19, is it 6?
Yes.
Yes, that's mean the missing number here. The first one is going to be,
21.
this is 20.
1. Is the difference between 13 and 19 is 6.
21 or 22? 22. Right?
Yeah.
Yes, and this one is going to be 16. Because the difference between any number and another is what? It's 3. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Here we have got 9 decreased to be 7, and then another number, and then decreased to be 3. What's the
5.
difference between 7 and 3?
2.
Difference between 7 and 3.
2.
Difference between 7 and 3.
4.
It's 4. So, like 9 to 7 is 2, and this is 4. That means this will be what this number will be?
7 minus 2.
Which
5.
is 5. And then this number over here is going to be
Which is 3 minus 2, 1.
1. And then 1 minus 2 is equals to
Negative 2.
negative
2.
1.
2.
2 minus 1 minus 2 is going to be equal negative 1.
How?
Yes. It is 2. It is 1 minus 2. Okay? The
Oh.
two numbers have different sign, and the great absolute value is 2, with sign of it is negative. You find the difference between the two numbers is 1. Or you can use the idea of using what? A number line. If you're using the number line, you have got here, for example, like what? Let's say here you have got the 0. And you have got 9 over here. This is 9. This is kept the 8. Then you have got the 7. It's got, for example, like what? The 5. The 6, you've got the 5. You skip the 4, and you've got the 2 or the 3. Then you skip the 2, and you have got 1. Then you skip the 0, and you have got negative 1. Are we clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
And
Okay, so the number is going to be what? Negative 1.
yes.
Number 3, they ask us to find the missing angle, the size of the missing angle A. We know all of it around. What size of it? All of it. We need all of it around.
360.
All of it 360. And we're given part is 70 degrees. So A will be equals to
360 minus 70.
yeah, 360 minus 70.
209.
That's gonna make A equals to what?
209.
290 degrees. So you go right here. The answer is what? 290 degrees.
Degrees.
Yes. Number 4, they say complete the calculations. You've got 4 over 10 plus a missing number is equals to 1.
4 over 10 plus 6
yes,
over 10.
Exactly. It's gonna be what?
4 over 10 plus 6 over 10.
Yes, 4 over 10 plus 6 over 10. Or you can write this fraction as another different way. You can write it what? You can write at 3 over 5. Okay.
3 over 5. Yes.
Yes, so it's going to give you what? It's give you the same thing.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Because 3 over 5 is equivalent to 6 over 10.
Yeah.
Question number 5. They say here are 4-digit cards. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I choose 3 of these cards to write 3-digit numbers. Write all the 3-digit numbers that Anna could make between 350 and 450. But you know mine, whenever we said the numbers between 350 and 450, so the numbers will be between the 300 and the 500, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Hindi ba
So
magkakasama?
you can start with order, like make your 100, 300. And this is one is gonna be 50 for sure. Then 50 what?
2.
You can say 352, and then 350,
4. No,
4,
53.
or 50. No, you cannot use the 3 twice.
Ah,
Only
54.
once because those are cards. 54.
Yeah, 4. And then
Okay. And then can you use another
300.
300? If you say 352,
No,
354. That's it. No another
yeah,
tips. Then you're gonna go to the what? To the 400.
yes.
Then 400 and
23.
yes, 423. So you could start with 400 and what? The smaller number, 423. And then
424.
425.
4.
You cannot say 24.
Why?
You cannot, because you already used the 4 as 100. You cannot use it
5.
as once again. Then
And then that's all.
430,
40.
32.
432.
And then 435.
435.
Okay. That
Okay.
is it. Okay. That is the numbers. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go to number 6. The same match each of the calculation in the box to the correct answer. The first one has been done for you. They say a half of 56. That means you divide 56 by 2, which is equal to 28. Then we need a third of 78. When I'd like to find a third of 78, that means we divided 78 by what?
By 3.
By 3. Okay. You can go and do long division if you cannot do it mentally, and go divide what? 78
It is
divide 3.
26.
Okay. In division, many people, they do division
26.
in a different way, but I'll take the 7 divide 3. I don't have 7 in table 3, so I've got 6. I write the 6 down, and I know 6 divided 3 is equals to 2. And remainder is 1. You bring down the 8, and then you say what? 18 divided 3 is equals to 6, because you have got already 18 in table 3. Okay, and there's no remainder. So your answer will be what?
26.
Yes, 26. Then you will go and look for 26, which is over here. Then we have a quarter of 92. With the same idea, you just divide 92 by what?
By 4.
By 4. And you have got 8 in table 4, which is equals to 2. And remainder 1. You would down the 2, and I've got 12 already in table 4, which is equal to 3. And remainder nothing. So your answer should be what? This one should go as with
23.
23. So 23 and this number. Okay. Then the last question, you have got what? A fifth of 125. You can divide 125 divided by 5. Then you've got here 10. It's equal to 2. And remainder 2. You would add the 5. And you have already 25. 25 divided 5 is equals to 5. Okay. So this one goes with what? With the 25. Okay. Okay. But in addition, if I said 2 over 3, if it was 2/3, and then I said of, for example, like let's say I said, for example, like 87.
87 divided by 3.
Then you step number 1, you divide the 87
by 3
divided by 3. We've got 6, and it's equals to 2, and remainder 2. You put down the 7, and then it's equal to 9.
9.
by 27, and there's no remainder. Have we finished? No, not yet. After we get 29, we need to multiply it by the numerator. We say 29 times
2.
2. And that's equals to 58.
58.
So the answer here is equals what?
Yeah.
58. In all the other questions over here, we didn't multiply by the numerator because the numerator always, it was what? It was 1.
1.
Because when we multiply by 1, we get the same number. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yes.